The first option is restricting individual files. So how to do that? You can do that in two ways. First, you can go to media, then select that file. You can select any file tab like PDF, image, or anything, and then click on manage access. Or you can go to media and then file access manager, and from the restrict individual files you can click on upload or select a file and then select that file. Let's say I want to select this PDF and click on manage access. You can see there are some fields. The first one is require login. Here you need to put if this file you want to make publicly available or want to restrict this one. If you want to restrict this one, then you need to choose yes, the file is restricted. And how do you want to restrict the files? You can see there are four options: users, user roles, WooCommerce, and paid membership pro. Here I tell you one more thing. To enable these two options, you need to have WooCommerce and paid membership pro plugins installed on your WordPress dashboard. And then after installing WooCommerce and paid membership pro, you need to go to settings and enable these two options, WooCommerce and paid membership pro, and then save settings. So now when I restrict a file, I can select users, user roles, WooCommerce, or paid membership pro. So if I select the users, then the next option is allow or disallow. If you select disallow, the following users will be disallowed. So if I select allow and then put the name of the user here, let's say my name, then only this user will be allowed to see this file. And if I select disallow, then this user will be disallowed or restricted to see this file. Now if I select user roles and then select allow, and in the select user roles there are different types of users. Let's say I'm selecting administrator, so only the administrator will be allowed to see this file. You can select others as well, editor or contributor, etc. And if you select disallow, then these user roles will be disallowed to see the PDF file or that selected file. Now if you select WooCommerce in place of user roles, then you need to select a product. Let's say a product. So when someone purchases this plugin, he will be allowed or disallowed to see this file. So let's see, I am allowing it. So when someone purchases this shoe, only then he or she can visit or view this PDF file or the selected file. So here is how WooCommerce works. So you can do a lot of things with this. Now with the paid membership pro works with levels. To use with paid membership pro, you first need to create levels in paid membership pro. There are different types of levels like monthly, yearly, half yearly. So if I select monthly, then only this level of users will be allowed to see this file. And then so let's select user roles and then just put admin here and click on save settings to just see what happens when someone who is not allowed visits this file. Go to PDF viewer, and this is that PDF file. So when I'm viewing it as an admin of this WordPress website, you can see that the page will be visible or not restricted. But when I will open this in a private window, that means a normal visitor, you can see a sorry page is coming on, that I do not have the permission to view this file. So isn't that great? So what this does is this will allow the selected user roles to use or to see this PDF file, and the other visitors will be hidden or restricted. And that's how you apply protection on individual files. Thank you.